Welcome, students. Today we are going to start a series of 7,000 one-liner questions of history, in which we are going to make some 70 videos. Per videos, we are going to cover 100 questions, and complete syllabus of history will be covered by these 70 videos. So, what are exams will be covered, like if you are preparing for TGT exam or PGT or SET, TET, CTET, NET exam, it is going to help you a lot because these questions are one-liner, simple one-liner questions in which the question is written in one line and there are no options but direct answer is given. So these exams, if you are preparing for these exams, like PGT exam, they are going to ask you one-liner questions. For example, if you are appearing for UP PGT, so these questions are going to help you. Otherwise, if you are preparing for state PCS or SSC, CGL, even if you are preparing for banking, police exams, SIs or railways exams, these questions are going to help you a lot. Other than that, if you are preparing for LT grade exams, RO, ARO, or any other such exams like NDA, CDS, in which history is asked in simple one-liner, these one-liners are going to help you a lot. So if I categorize this course, I have made some 2000 questions of ancient history, 2000 questions of medieval, 2000 questions of modern, and historiography. I have included only 1000 questions because this historiography is not asked in many other exams. It is mainly asked in the exams of teaching. So this video PDF, this PDF will be available to download. You can download this PDF from the description. I have given the link in the description box. You can download the PDF of the entire 7,000 questions if you want, or if you want to download it like section wise, like if you want to download it for only ancient history, you can download it separately. So topics which are going to be covered in these 70 videos, for example, ancient history, we are going to start from the sources of ancient history and then Stone Age, Chalcolithic period, then Indus Valley civilization, Vedic period, Jainism, Shaivism, Buddhism, Bhagavad religion, pre-Mauryan and Mahajanpat period, because many of the video lectures are not including this Mahajanpat period, but the questions are very important and we should not actually forget to learn about these periods also. Then we'll move to Mauryan Empire because major of the questions are asked from the Mauryan Empire. We're going to see the art and architecture part also. Then post-Mauryan period, Gupta period, in which we are going to talk about the art and architecture plus literature, and then Vakatak period, उत्तर गुप्त मौखरी एंड मैत्रक हुन्स, जब हुन्स जो है वो आक्रमण करेंगे, हर्षवर्धन एंड कंटेम्पररी इंडिया. Then we'll move to the south, Chalukya, Cholas, Pallavas, Rashtrakutas, Gurjar Pratihar, Pal, and in this we are going to see tripartite struggle also, tripartite struggle for the occupation of Kannauj. Then we are going to see Sangam period, which is ancient South Indian history. Then feudalism, education in ancient India, which is a very important topic, science and technology, because in the current situation questions are majorly asked from these two topics और मैक्सिमम जगह मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है पर्सनली कि जो एजुकेटर्स हैं वो इन टॉपिक्स को छोड़ देते हैं. देन वील मूव टू some pre-medieval era of dynasties like Pandya, Hoysal, Yadava and Kakatiya. Then we'll see Arab attacks in ancient India like Sindh पे attack जो होता है. Then socio-economic conditions and moral ideologies, terms and concepts. Then art and architecture in ancient India, and we'll bind up this ancient India in 2000 questions. Then we will move to medieval history. Topics are again sources and terms which are very important. Then Mahmud of Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori, slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid and Lodi dynasty, and then the art and architecture of Delhi Sultanate, Bhakti and Sufi movement, Vijayanagar and Bahmani Sultanate, प्रोविंशियल हिस्ट्री जो कि पूछी जाती है और जनरली मैंने ये भी ऑब्जर्व किया कि ये वाला टॉपिक भी जनरली यूट्यूब पे एजुकेटर्स इसको कवर नहीं करते हैं. कश्मीर एंड उड़ीसा. देन मुगल एम्पायर, राजपुताना. सो इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सम राजस्थान एग्जाम्स, this Rajputana history is going to help you a lot. then we'll move to Maratha Empire and its administration, and then travelers in medieval India. कौन कौन ट्रेवलर आते हैं और उन्होंने किस राजा के बारे में या उस सोसाइटी के बारे में क्या क्या लिखा है वो सब हम इसमें कवर कर लेंगे. And then Sikh and Jat movements, and then we'll move to modern history. Again, starting from sources and terms of modern history, coming up of Europeans, establishment of foreign rule, जहाँ पे हम देखेंगे कि जो इंग्लिश हैं, जो ब्रिटिशर्स हैं, उन्होंने किस तरह से सुप्रीमेसी को अटेन किया है. देन विल मूव टू द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857, इट्स कॉजेस एंड इफेक्ट्स, एंड सम प्रोमिनेंट लीडर्स जिन्होंने इस रिवोल्ट को लीडरशिप प्रोवाइड करी, और जो ब्रिटिशर्स थे उनके कौन से ऐसे आर्मी कैप्टन थे जिन्होंने इस रिवोल्ट को किसी तरह से काबू में किया. देन विल मूव टू सोशियो रिलीजियस रिफॉर्म्स मूवमेंट, इमर्जेंस ऑफ नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया and arrival of Mahatma Gandhi, establishment of National Congress, era of extreme nationalism, जहाँ पे हम देखेंगे revolutionary activities, then emergence of Gandhi in Indian politics, Khilafat and non-cooperation movement, Swarajist, socialist ideologies and other revolutionary groups, Simon Commission and Nehru Report, which was the first attempt of Indians towards the making of constitution, civil disobedience movement and future strategy. Then we'll move to nationalist response to Second World War and Quit India movement, post-war national scenario, partition and independence. After that, we are going to see some topics which are actually not covered by some educators, like constitutional development and administrative reforms, economic effect of British rule in India, development of press, which is again a very important topic, and education in British India, peasants and workers movement, challenges before a new nation. Now, because a nation was created, but there were some challenges which this new nation was facing, like India was facing very drastic challenge from the princely states. These princely states were adamant to join. They were not actually willing to join the Indian Union and the role of Vallabhbhai Patel. Then making of Indian Constitution, we will see about the Constituent Assembly, and then we'll see the development of nationalist foreign policy and question based on some quotes like महात्मा गांधी के कुछ quotes होंगे, और बहुत सारे जो लीडर्स हैं या फिर बहुत सारे जो ब्रिटिशर्स हैं जो एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में पूछे जाते हैं, जनरली पिछले प्रीवियस एग्जाम में पूछे गए हैं, विल कवर अबाउट दोस quotes. Then we'll move to the last section of our lecture, like historiography, scope, importance, what is objectivity in history, how history is biased, what is causation and imagination in history. Then we will see about the historical writings, like beginning of historical writings from Greek, then shifted to Romans, and then church historiography, Islamic historiography, then Marxist philosophy, जिसमें हम देखेंगे कार्ल मार्क्स को, cyclic theory of history पढ़ेंगे, ओसवाल्ड स्पेंगलर challenge and response theory, and अर्नोल्ड जोसेफ टॉयनबी and post modernism in history पढ़ेंगे. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे research methodology. So if you are going to prepare for NET exam, and if you are planning for pursuing PhD, so these topics are going to help you. Hypothesis in history and area of proposed research. Then medieval and Renaissance historiography, annals school, Indian historiography देखेंगे, subaltern देखेंगे जिसमें हम बात करेंगे बहुत सारे historians की, colonial and nationalist historiography देखेंगे, अगेन colonial और nationalist historiography के बीच में क्या relations है उनको हम पढ़ेंगे. लास्ट में हम देखेंगे analytical and speculative philosophy of history. So these are some questions like what is the study of inscriptions called, like epigraphy. इस तरह से क्वेश्चंस हैं, और आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो इस तरह से फॉर्म किए गए हैं, जो कि आपको बहुत सिंपल वन लाइनर में देखने को मिल जाएंगे. तो इनको याद करना बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा. यू विल गेट द पीडीएफ इन द डाउनलोड फॉर द डाउनलोड, and the link of the PDF is given in the description box. You can go and download the entire PDF of 7,000 questions, or if you want to download it section wise, you can download it section wise, like this is the ancient history, and from here we are going to start medieval history. These are 2,000 questions of ancient history. Then we're going to start from medieval history, again 2,000 questions of medieval history, like this is 1,500 1,700 questions, and we'll move to modern history. So these are the questions of modern history, like who founded Samajwadi Mahasabha in Bihar. These are some questions which are asked regularly and repeatedly in the exams. So we are going to see these questions. So I hope you will going to enjoy these sessions a lot. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it. so that you can get the regular updates and regular notifications. Otherwise, you will miss some lectures. So please be with me. We are going to cover this entire history plus historiography in 70 videos. Or if you want to download the PDF, entire PDF is available in the description box. So we'll meet and start the session from tomorrow onwards. So let's join the sessions and be a successful person. So bye for that. For the time being, I'm going to meet you tomorrow.